Okay, so I can't be the only one who has this problem. You know, you're working on something really creative and it's really cool. For example, yesterday I was working on writing my screenplay or actually rewriting it. And, it was going, and then I just suddenly hit a brick wall and I was like, what am I doing even? Like, it just stops. And I feel like that happens a lot actually, and probably happens to you as probably a person who's maybe creative. But I started to get like overwhelmed, and I was like, okay, what am I actually doing here? And I don't have the answer yet, but what I do have is a fresh mind now today, which is awesome, and I'm very thankful for that. So, I guess what I want to talk about today is, I feel like as a creative person, like I'm into like film, like that's a thing, and like animation and scripts and Blender, etc., etc. Like visual storytelling, right? But um, what I ended up doing was doing something completely different. And I feel like if you can find that thing for you, that you're not like necessarily trying to be like really good at necessarily, like so that could be like trying to draw, like we like messing around on the piano, like for me, I just was like messing around on the piano. Do I know how to play the piano? No, I don't at all. I'm atrocious. I don't know. I mean, I know where I can find middle C, and that's about it. Um, and something about that, like doing something that's like I'm not trying to do anything necessarily, and it's just like completely external and has nothing to do with my film, is actually really helpful creatively. So yeah, I guess the encouragement is when you get stuck and you're at that like place where you're just like, I'm just sitting here at this point and I'm throwing so many things at the wall that I don't even know where the wall is, and like it's bad. Try something just different, like, and it's okay if it's bad. It doesn't, like, don't try to make something basically. Stop trying and just do something like completely random. And yeah, I realized that helped me a lot yesterday. I was like, oh wow, I'm suddenly ready to jump back in, but I didn't. I was like, okay, we're gonna put a deadline. Past 5, I'm not gonna come back to the computer and try to work on the script more. So today I'm gonna get back to work on rewriting my animated feature film. So wish me luck on that, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Catch you on the next video, whenever that one may be, and God bless. Bye bye.